Well, some days I wonder if it's all true, how the world all went wrong when I lost you. And now I'm alone on this bar stool, looking like an old worn out fool. The days were long, the nights were longer, lost in a world all alone. Nowhere I looked, nowhere I found, could I ever say love found a home. Down on my luck, living in a truck, the old mangy dog by my side. From town to town, state to state, them old worn out highways we'd ride. Well, I practiced my song, and I wrote them too, down on whatever I could. But like that old fool who broke all the rules, I left all my dreams far behind. So I'm down on my luck, living in this truck, the old mangy dog by my side. And down that old highway from town to town, we will continue to ride, writing my songs, singing them to the dog, and hoping they make sense to him. Most of them tell of lost loves and failures of mine in life. Well, I'm riding alone in my old worn truck. That mangy old dog left me behind. But there's a memory of him listening to me, forever etched in my mind. Well, that old pickup truck parked on the side of the road, laying in the ditch, waiting for a hitch. Danny Richards slipped out from time. Now that old white truck sits in the yard with the smell of that old dog and wine. And Danny Richards' memory slips off into the past like an old memory lost in time.